So is everybody going to watch the concert of Martin Rivera on September 27th? I just want to remind everybody, so we're producing Martin's concert at the Araneta Coliseum, September 27 at the Araneta Coliseum. Now, the decks that we have distributed for all of you, please review them. If you haven't received them, we're going to send them to you by email, or we're going to send them to you. I will send them to you personally. So please review them. Now, again, as I mentioned earlier, why would you just sponsor for one event? We're producing 21 concerts. So if you're going to sponsor for all of us, you can be part of all of our concerts. You'll have maximum exposure, maximum. Naubusan ako ng maximum. Ano ba ito? Ano nangyari? So, I just want to call my partners from iMusic Entertainment, Kakay Mitra. Now, we're just going to have a toast. And my other partner from Green Light Productions, Mr. Fred Yuzon, the ceremonial toast. Bigyan po kami ng alak. So again, everybody, I hope you support us. We want to be your partner, all your brands. We are flexible. It doesn't mean that whatever is written there is written in stone. We can talk to you. We can manage the budgets. What we are after is our partnership with you. And of course, what we are after is maximum exposure for all your products. So again to everybody, thank you very much. Here's Mr. Fred Yuzon of Green Light Productions. And of course, thank you, Fred, for hosting us tonight here at the CWC showroom. And of course, my partner, my sister-in-law, Kakay Mitra of iMusic Entertainment. And Ms. Cory Quirino, please come up on stage. Please do not forget Lucianan Pilipinas, which will be this September, also 2024. September 6, 2024. So to us, I guess wala na tayong alak. Let's have a virtual toast.
Maraming alak, okay?
Marami ba bang alak?
Hindi na uubusan dito.
If you have any questions later on, we're just here. Please talk to us. Please talk to si Ran Santiago. Maghahanap po siya ng alak. If you have any questions, any last words from you guys?
Let's start with Cory about Lucha, then me and Kakay. Let's talk about this collaboration. It's for the Philippines. So, Cory, take it away.
Thank you, Fred Yuzon, for believing in Mundial Pilipinas and for inspiring us to do better and become greater and become more relevant as a country. So we're here to say that Pilipinas year 53rd edition. Kaya, saan ka, Mundial?
Pero 53 siya, pero sa totoo lang, is 56 years old na, ano siya. Of course, nawala tayo ng pandemic, but sa totoo lang, if Bilibili is 60, we are 56 this year. Okay? The reason why I bought Lucha ng Pilipinas, it's the same age as myself and Kuya Ogie. 1968 kami, okay? Truth be told. Pero si Ogie parang 1966 eh.
Sa totoo lang, meron akong confession. Gusto niyo marinig? Once upon a time, tumawag si Ogie sa akin. Sabi niya, Cory, sama ka sa akin sa isang dinner. Bakit? Ano bang mangyayari doon? Basta sama ka sa akin, trust me. So I went with him to the house of Fred Yuzon, whom I never knew before. And when I entered the room, there was already a board meeting of Mundial Pilipinas. The whole board was there. And I said, what is this about? And Fred Yuzon says, we have decided that you're going to be the next president of Mundial Pilipinas, so you cannot say no. Kaya hindi ako makahindi sa mga boys na ito. How can you say no to Ogie Alcacid and Fred Yuzon?
Alright, at this point, we'd like to invite everybody to stand up and we'd like to propose a toast to 18!
So again, thank you for coming tonight.
This is to 18, to iMusic Entertainment, to Greenlight Productions, to CWC. Everybody, thanks for coming over. Enjoy the night. Cheers, everybody. And to our future partners, cheers. Thank you, everybody.
Congratulations, and this is indeed a celebration!